Do you ever feel like your money just disappears and you're left wondering where it all went? Managing your finances can be tough, but the right budgeting app can make saving money easy and automatic. In this video, we're breaking down the best budgeting apps of 2025 that can help you track your spending, save more, and take control of your financial future. Stick around until the end because the last app on our list has a feature that could triple your savings. Let's dive in. Number 1, Mint, the all-in-one budgeting app. Mint is one of the most popular budgeting apps out there, and for good reason. Tracks your expenses automatically by syncing with your bank accounts. Creates a personalized budget based on your spending habits. Alerts you about upcoming bills and unusual transactions. If you want an easy way to monitor your finances in one place, Mint is a great choice. Number 2, YNAB, you need a budget. The best for zero-based budgeting. YNAB is perfect if you want to be more intentional with your money. Helps you allocate every dollar to a specific purpose. Encourages proactive saving instead of reactive spending. Users report saving an average of $600 in their first 2 months. If you struggle with overspending and want to gain total control over your budget, YNAB is worth trying. Number 3, EveryDollar, the best for simple budgeting. EveryDollar, created by financial expert Dave Ramsey, is designed for zero-based budgeting, allows you to manually track every expense, syncs with your bank account for premium users. Perfect if you follow the baby steps to financial freedom. If you love the idea of giving every dollar a job, EveryDollar keeps it simple and effective. Number 4, PocketGuard, the best for preventing overspending. PocketGuard helps you avoid spending more than you should. Analyzes your income, expenses, and savings goals. Tells you exactly how much safe-to-spend money you have left. Identifies subscriptions and recurring expenses you can cut. If you always wonder where your money goes, PocketGuard can help you stay on track. Number 5, Goodbudget, the best for envelope budgeting. Goodbudget is based on the cash envelope system. Helps you allocate money into digital envelopes for different spending categories. Great for couples and families who want to budget together. Encourages mindful spending and disciplined saving. If you like the idea of dividing your money into spending categories, Goodbudget makes it easy and fun. Number 6, Rocket Money, formerly Truebill, the best for canceling unwanted subscriptions. Rocket Money is like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. Automatically finds and cancels subscriptions you don't use. Helps negotiate lower bills to save you money. Tracks spending and provides financial insights. If you want to cut down on unnecessary expenses, Rocket Money is a must-have. Number 7, Honeydew, the best for couples. Managing money as a couple, Honeydew makes it super easy. Allows you to share finances while keeping some accounts private. Tracks spending, bills, and savings goals together. Sends reminders so you never miss a bill payment. If you and your partner want to get on the same page financially, Honeydew is the perfect app for you. Number 8, My Finances, the best for personal finance insights. My Finances is a new player in 2025 with some game-changing features. Uses AI to analyze your spending habits and suggest ways to save. Creates customized financial plans based on your goals. Integrates with investment accounts to track net worth growth. If you want a smart AI-powered budgeting tool, this app is a must-try. Bonus, cashback and savings apps. If you love getting free money, check these out. Rakuten and Honey. Earn cashback on online purchases. Ibotta. Save money on groceries and essentials. Doge, get automatic cashback at select stores. Using these alongside your budgeting app can maximize your savings even more. Final thoughts. No matter your financial situation, there's a budgeting app that fits your needs. Whether you need help tracking expenses, cutting bills, or saving more money, these apps make it easier than ever to stay in control of your finances. Which app are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-saving tip. Check out the next video on your screen for even more ways to grow your wealth. See you in the next one.